Hey everyone! Today I'm going to give you a quick and easy guide to mastering Git and GitHub. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. First off, what's Git? Git is a version control system. Think of it as a way to keep track of changes you make to files, like snapshots, and you can go back in time, see what you changed, and even collaborate with others. Now, what's GitHub? GitHub is a platform that uses Git. It's a place where you can host your Git repositories online. It's like a social network for developers where you can share your code, collaborate with others, and showcase your projects. All right, let's get started with Git. Step 1, installing Git. Head over to git-scm.com and download the latest version for your operating system. Follow the installation prompts. Easy, right? Next, let's set up Git with your information. Open your terminal or command prompt and type git config global user.name your name. Git config global user.email your .email at example.com. This sets your name and email for any commits you make. Now, let's initialize a new Git repository. Navigate to your project folder in the terminal and type gitnit. This creates a hidden .git folder, marking it as a Git repository. Let's add a file to our repository. Create a new file, maybe a simple text file, and type git add file name .txt. This stages the file, getting it ready to commit. Now commit your changes with git commit, initial commit. The M flag lets you add a commit message. Great, you've made your first commit. Now let's talk about GitHub. First, you need a GitHub account. Sign up at github.com. Once you're logged in, click the new repository button. Give your repo a name, add a description if you like, and hit Create Repository. You'll see a URL for your new repo. Copy it. Go back to your terminal and type git remote add origin https://github.com/your username/your -repo.git. Replace the URL with your repo's URL. This tells Git where to push your commits. Now push your local commits to GitHub with git push origin master. You might need to enter your GitHub credentials. And there you go. Your project is now on GitHub. To wrap it up, we covered installing Git, setting it up, making commits, and pushing to GitHub. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use Git and GitHub, the more comfortable you'll get. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.